Long nara story and director plong environment hemi ko long public plong no ko long place where demolition hemi stop ko het. Yoli stop em plong issue any permit long people iko long city folem demolition. Director Grace Naparau hemi talem se decision hemi folem safety plong people.
All waste products, small funding, well, the demolition company need to dispose them proper, segregate them. All segregation piles, all get them or dispose them proper. Go with a landfill or you go through recycling. So I maybe want them say general public or vehicle drivers, please you just stop, keep out no more. It's considered one danger zone. You keep out no more law place for demolition site.
Hemi dalam sel business wali ting plong mekem demolition wali mas pass through long department plong environment too.
This week, by me putting out one notice, equal every contractors, more excavators, one decision, we come out law government, law by you stop them excavation, sloping and benching, you stop them first time from walker and me stop disturb them by again land fall. Yeah. By savek at risk for more landfall come or disturb them environment, soil erosion, savek come inside. So by this week, environment by me issuing one notice to all excavators and contractors. You may stop them, you may put them on hold first time until geology and mines only make more geotechnical assessments, or complete them. More only survey come with them some solutions for how you stabilize environment. You stabilize the further landfall before you survey continue back and or excavate back and all areas where damage to impact the earthquake.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.